Exploring your past, crafting a list of your work experiences. Hello, English learners and job seekers. Today, we will dive deep into an essential aspect of preparing for job interviews, explaining your work experience. Specifically, we will focus on creating a detailed list of your professional experiences. Remember, practice and preparation are the keys to impressing your future employer. Before we delve into the how-to, it's crucial to understand the why. Listing your work experience helps in 1. Reflection. You get to see your professional growth. 2. Organization. Easier to recall and share specifics during an interview. 3. Confidence boost. Seeing your achievements on paper can give you a morale boost. Step 1. Chronological order. Start with your most recent job and work your way backward. This order is the most widely accepted and helps interviewers understand your recent experiences first. Step 2. Job title and company. For each position, list your job title and the company's name. Step 3. Duration. Mention the start and end dates for each position. If you're still in the job, write present for the end date. Step 4. Key responsibilities. For every job, list 3 to 5 main responsibilities or tasks you had. Be concise. Step 5. Achievements. Did you receive any awards? Did you surpass a target or complete a significant project? Mention it. Step 6. Skills acquired. Mention any new skills you learned during that job, especially if they are relevant to the job you're interviewing for. 1. Quantify. Whenever possible, use numbers. Managed a team of 10 inches or increased sales by 20%. 2. Avoid jargon. Keep the language simple and universal, unless industry-specific jargon is required. 3. Review and update. Every time you achieve something new or take up a new responsibility, update the list. Preparing a detailed list of your work experiences is like having a roadmap of your professional journey. Not only does it help during interviews, but it also aids in your personal growth and self-awareness. We hope this video has been enlightening. Remember, each job, no matter how big or small, plays a role in shaping your career. Happy job hunting, and keep learning.